Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Lihue. Our local time approximately 11:50. We will be taxiing for just a few more minutes. Federal regulations do require that all passengers remain seated with their safety belts fastened and your carry-on items securely stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Before you leave the aircraft, please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings with you and do use caution when you open the overhead compartments, as their contents may have shifted during the flight. Again, the state of Hawaii does require that all arriving passengers fill out and submit a agricultural declaration. So I will speak with the agents here when they open the door about how they want to handle this. Again, we had just very few forms provided to us before departure, and we handed out everything that we had on board the aircraft. So we will have a quick discussion about what they want to do with the remaining passengers, and I'll pass that information along to you.